choices that will make you smile. Call 877-BRANSON or go to explorebranson.com for special offers.
Refreshingly new limeade sparklers from Taco Bell. A real lime wedge. Splash of real lime juice blended with cool, crisp lemon lime soda. All adds up to with a twist. Get a coupon for a free limeade at TacoBell.com.
New Revlon Grow Luscious Mascara helps lashes grow stronger. With a unique formula that complements your lash's natural growth cycle. 96% saw instantly longer lashes. This is the start of something big. New Revlon Grow Luscious Mascara.
Get extra savings at the JCPenney Appreciation Sale. Save an extra 15% on all regular sale and clearance items. Everything, no exclusions. Save on everything for her, for him, for kids, all shoes and home. Find more at jcp.com. JCPenney. We're here at Acme HQ looking for answers.
What's up, Mr. Science?
Hey.
So we want to know, what is the latest on Acme?
Well, the news on Acme isn't even about acne, it's about marks. Now, for the first time, Clean & Clear has a 2-in-1 acne and mark eraser kit. A clinical study showed again and again the kit effectively reduced the appearance of both acne and marks.
To save $5, text CLEAN to 467-467. Clean & Clear and under control.
Thanks to the new Venture Card from Capital One, we get double miles on every purchase, so we earn the ski trip twice as far. We get double miles every time we use our car. I'll take this. Double miles add up quick. And all of those, so we brought the whole gang. One adult, one dope, please. It's hard to beat double miles. Everyone knows 2 is better than 1.
Introducing the Venture Card from Capital One, with double miles on every purchase every day.